couple of years ago, it was around this time, a week or two before the month of Ramadan. A brother, about the age of 16 or 17, he just started driving. He was in Qur'an class. He had memorized the whole Qur'an, or was about to memorize the Qur'an. He had just a few more surahs, just towards the end, and he was going to memorize the whole Qur'an. We had registered, or we had assigned some people to lead the Tarawih prayer, and amongst those whom we wanted to add for that particular year was this particular brother who was about to memorize the whole Qur'an. And he had a very beautiful recitation also. When he finished his Qur'an class, he went home to pick up his sisters, because his session was over and he was going to bring his sisters to the class. But on his way, he got into an accident. And about a week or two before Ramadan, he passed away. We never know when death will come. Death can come at any time. For those who are healthy, they think they still have a long time to live. Death can come at any time. And the young and the heedless ask the people who are severely sick. For them and the elderly, death is like a sentence just waiting to be pronounced.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.